What's this?
It looks like a fuck you item. It looks like you're gonna go into.
I have never seen this before.
Go into it, mate.
Wait, we've been on the museum
I've
before.
not been on the museum.
I've been on the museum
You've
before.
got the game. You've played every map. I've not played this one before.
Feel like I have, but
Do you know, I reckon it'll teleport you. Oh no, do you know what? It'll turn the bridge off.
Oh, that's it. I remember.
Yeah, it makes
yeah, and you can turn it off. Okay, I remember. Get over the bridge.
I don't think you actually wanted to do that because you could just go through it, can't you? Wouldn't you want to go through it more than anything?
I assume so.
Yeah, man, that's how you get a hole in one if you just go through it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You know what I mean? Like.
You got shaped?
You know what I mean? Like that. Fair enough, you have made up a shot on me there, to be fair.
Bruh.
We're both still below par now. Let's see if we can get below par.
We're learning.
However, par is a lot more on this map.
This is par 3.
That's doable in 3 as long as we don't like Screwdriver Road.
It's doable in under 3.
You gotta randomise it twice. Watch me get a honey trap. Oh, I'm not getting out, mate.
Oh, mate, no.
Honey trap.
Oh my
honey
god.
trap though, I called it, man.
Oh my god.
I called it, man. It just gives me dead items,
the
man.
angle was perfect. If you managed to.
No, see, if I did less power, it might have dropped me in. It might
have dropped you in the hole.
No, but it might have screwed my actual overall shot up.
It just goes to show that your angle was perfect, but your power was wrong. That's mad.
Getting run vibes.
Oh.
So
that's what it looks like on the other side,
it's
huh?
a par 3. Where the hell's the hole? Oh, it's down one of them holes.
Oh.
And then into this other hole.
Oh
and
my
then
god, how is
over
this?
there. Oh, but you can go through that little middle thing.
Where's the middle? I don't know.
You've got no free cam now, you can't tell. Take your shot. That thing.
Oh, mate. I just jumped out of the map.
Yeah.
See where that hole was?
Yeah, no, so you want to go through this and then...
No, it's up. It's up.
No, yeah, no, but you want to go through... Wait, what?
That's not it. It's
Yeah, no, the hole's here, man.
No, but the other hole that I went through to get to that thingy, that one, yeah. But what's the other side of it is what I'm saying. How do you get to that?
Oh, no, you need to bomb it in, I reckon. I think you need to, like, slam dunk it.
I'm going to do this instead.
Do we jump?
No, yeah.
Kind of. I don't... Oh, I want to go for this one, then.
I thought it was just going to bash you back out.
That's doable in the next shot.
Yeah.
Quite easily.
I've got this on par. Bada bing. Not worth the risk. Round and round and round.
Arr. I might see, I know we're in like competition against each other, but I'm trying to get like sub-par. That's my aim right now, isn't it?
Oh, I'm an egg. I don't want to be an egg. Oh my god. The egg is greatest.
What's this for now?
Oh, the bauble. That would have fucked me up. No. Oh my god. He's only gone.
That was nice. That was pretty nice.
I enjoyed that.
Oh.
This place is gonna be fucking hell.
You're about to get dino boned. Oh, the finesse! That was so good. Oh, but you screwed you off the. Even though you've screwed. Oh, the fuck you shape.
Yes.
I'm deaf. All the fuck you. Let me have a look at it.
No, you're the bauble.
Are you sure?
Yeah, definitely. Bauble's on the bottom.
That's like
yeah,
the
you
worst
see the shit.
Watch this. I pooed in the swamp, man.
Oh, there's eggs everywhere. There's a wall involved.
Oh yeah, that's for you to go off the wall.
Oh.
Do you know what? Those things will stop you from being able to like bip it straight in, I reckon. That's what I was gonna go for, but now that I've seen how it went for you, I don't know if I will.
Yeah, please.
Clip it.
How? Wait. How? There's eggs?
Bro.
all about
rebound.
It's all about the mushrooms.
No, ball.
Well, if I fuck up, then you fuck up. I don't even know what you are because I'm in you.
The star. Am I the star?
No, cylinder.
Cylinder.
Oh, you're a square. Oh my god. No way, bro. How? No, you were a cylinder.
Bro, the finesse. Bro, the finesse. Bro, you sound good. I'm out.
Go, leave. Disrespected me.
How are you feeling,
Wait. I'm gonna have my tea.
7.
I can't believe that.
7 ahead of you now, mate. Did I show you the Witcher's brew that I got?
I like that one, but I think I'd go for the creeper.
So,
yeah, that looks sick.
It was mainly gin, I think. What happened?
Nothing. You're gonna have to go over. While it's down. Yes, that was sick. Oh, what a shot.
Time was decent on that one.
What a shot.
Still 1 under par, so birdie.
That's sick. Oh.
Tease, you little tease, you rimmed it.
Oh.
No, I am trying to get subpar, man.
No. Ah, you got 2 shots, you'll be alright.
Fudge is the out, alright. That's the out.
Decent. I was gonna say that's a bit too much.
Oh, mate, you're fucked.
Baby. Oh my god, what the fuck did it hit? It did it again! Oh, I know why. Exactly, man. It's because I'm dumb. No, it doesn't make sense. I'm not dumb. I'm dumber than dumb. I'm stupid dumb. I'm gonna go a little bit. What's this?
We should get you a helmet.
I wasn't even going fast.
Harry, I don't think you're gonna beat me in this one, man.
I think I will. I think I will.
You sure?
I think I will. I think I will. Oh.
That's what knows it.
4 seconds, come on, please. Please, for the love of Christ.
Why
did I use that now?
Yeah! You got what you deserve, bitch! Ah!
What have you done?
Ah, my arm!
What is
my
it? It's a soft...
It's not fixed. It's not fixed. It's still not fully fixed. And I just went, because you got the randomizer, went, oh, for fuck's sake, and then it bent it at a weird angle. Boys, but like 3 months, fix yourself. Fix. I don't think you will get through that. I was correct.
Gotta learn. These.
Right, I sorted you out there, and don't do me in and like that. I just sorted you out. We're both gonna get subpar here, and like we're both like 100% still gonna get subpar. You got 1 more shot to get subpar, bro. No, because I thought it made that thing a permanent fixture because you shot on it.
You are taking joke out of me.
No, you shouldn't.
You are taking joke out of me.
Oh, mate, I can see how this is gonna go.
Pretty well. Yes. Pretty well.
Albatross!
One eternity later.
Oh, mate, that was good.
What the fuck does an albatross even sound like?
I need to breathe.
Get off the floor.
I need to breathe. But the thing is with those ones as well, yeah, it's like hit and miss when you do the... Because you do the first...
That's mini golf, it's hit and miss.
If you don't like reposition yourself in the same position, the power changes. Don't double jump. I did say.
I do what I want when I want.
That doesn't mean it's the correct thing to do.
It means I make my own mistakes like
double
a man.
jump now. Oh no! You're back to the. No, you're in a decent spot there.
Am I?
Boy, done it twice, man. So peak.
I hate this shit. I'm stuck. I can't even jump.
I'm gonna get up.
I'm stuck under the thing. There you go. Okay. I got 13 seconds to get out of this one. Oh my god! Just get out of the water.
Run like.
I'm saving that for the next time.
Oh, that was so good. And you fucked it.
Again with the fucking shit, bro.
I was gonna say, if you landed in the water, that's gonna be a lot.
Oh, it's so difficult. That was so difficult.